Python pandas filtering out nan from a data selection of a column of strings. Without using GroupB, how would I filter out data without nan? Let's say I have a matrix where customers will fill in n/er, n/er or any of its variations and others leave it blank. Output. How would I filter out nan values so I can get results to work with like this? I am guessing I need something like np.isnan, but the tilde does not work with strings.
Just drop them. This will drop all rows where there are at least 2 non-nan. Then you could then drop where name is nan. Edit. Actually, looking at what you originally want, you can do just this without the dropna call. Update. Looking at this question 3 years later, there is a mistake. Firstly, thresh.arg looks for at least n non-nan values, so in fact the output should be It's possible that I was either mistaken 3 years ago or that the version of pandas I was running had a bug. Both scenarios are entirely possible.
Simplest of all solutions. Thus, it filters out only rows that doesn't have nan values in name column. For multiple columns.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.